It's been 10 years since floodwaters tore through parts of Colorado, forcing evacuations in places like Lyons.
And it was an especially memorable day for one family dodging floodwaters to try and make it to the hospital for the birth of their son. It's an ordeal that they shared with us 10 years ago. And tonight, Fox 31's Evan Krugel is catching up with them.
In the picturesque town of Lyons, a first-time visitor might have no idea what happened here 10 years ago. But those who were here in 2013 remember the flood like it was yesterday.
It was just outrageous. It was almost like a dream.
But as Mother Nature delivered a foot of rain in parts of Boulder County, Roy and Ginger Palmieri were preparing to deliver something else.
Right after we got evacuated, my water broke.
Sharing their remarkable story with us just days after their son Rocco was born.
The couple endured yet another obstacle, 27 hours in labor, and then his tiny face.
And then it was the best moment of my life.
A decade later, Rocco looks a bit different.
Come on over here.
Celebrating his 10th birthday by watching Mom and Dad on the news. Offering a new perspective into what his family and this community went through that day.
I thought the flood was just kind of like moving like the river it is now. But I just realized how crazy it was. I didn't know it was so powerful, and it broke so much.
A decade later, they still call Lyons home. A park once underwater, now rebuilt. In a community that continues to persevere.
We've come a pretty long way.
And while Rocco might not remember that day,
No.
he knows how lucky he is to be here.
It's a miracle.
Yeah, it really was.
In Boulder County,
Let's go Lions!
Evan Krugel, Fox 31.